Welcome to my channel Tech Tic Tac Toe. Today we will learn about module. First we will use our module, then we will learn how to use the built-in modules in Python. Now let us start. So first we are trying to create a module. So first we have to write a file in here this is we are describing city as Delhi, population as this, country is this, and we are defining a function show that will show the city's name. So print the capital is city. So this is our first module. So if we try to print in this section, so this is our program. So we can print here so if we save this as try.py, so it will save as try.py, and then when we try to run, this will print the capital is Kolkata. Now we want to make it a module. So here we save it as another name with, so this will our module, first module. Here there is a variable and there is a function. So here we want to save it as first module.py. So here we are saving this. So this is our first module.py. So now when we try to run from this another function, another file, so this is our, so we have to import that first module, and then we have to print, we can use the function defined in this first module. So first module dot show is our function. We will print this Delhi. So now it will print as the capital is Delhi. So here we are using this first module as a module, and we are trying to use this module in another function, another class. We can also use this as we can also use the variable also. So here we are importing first module and we want to print the city's population. So first modules, the city of first module and the population in that city variable. So we will print this. So here the output will be the population of Delhi. So this way we can use a module defined by us. Now we can import the module as another name. For example, we can import this module as fm, then we will print this as fm.city. So import first module as fm, we can rename this first module as fm, and we will then use this population variable here. So we will print this variable. So in this case the result is this same. So we can use this first module as renaming it after renaming it. Now we can only one part of this module. For example, we can only import the city. We do not want to import the function. So from first module we only import the city variable. So print city population. So here the output will be the variable, but we cannot print the show variable here, show function here. So now built-in module. There are some built-in module in Python. For example, math is a built-in module. We can print the square root of any number. The sequence is math.sqrt of 64. So the function is defined as this way, so we have to use it this way. So when we want to use a module, built-in module, we have to know the syntax. So in this case we are using the built-in module math, and we want to know the square root of this function. So in this case the output will be square root of 64 is 8. So this way we can use the module. I think you will understand. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.